The Redmi Note 5 Pro. I have been waiting to get my hands on this one since the first flash sale, and now finally I have got it. This is the phone which is launched in India globally, and this has everything from an 18:9 display to a better processor to succeed the Redmi Note 4. So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching my first impressions after using the device for more than 48 hours. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Let's look at the build and design of the phone. The phone is now taller with an 18:9 aspect ratio. The device is even easier to hold because of a more curvier design and the reduced thickness compared to the last year's Redmi Note 4. The design of the camera module is very much like the iPhone X, but that doesn't make any difference, does it? The Note 5 Pro has a nice heft to it, which feels really good in the hand. The dimensions of the phone remain more or less the same when compared to the Redmi Note 4, but this time due to the shrinked bezels and a more modern design, we get a much larger display which is a 5.99 inch in size. It has a 1920x1440p resolution commonly known as the HD+. The display was really bright and vivid. This time the phone gets a Gorilla Glass protection. In the performance part, the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 636 chipset. It means that it has 8 Cryo cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. It has Adreno 509 GPU. The chipset is built on a 14nm manufacturing process, and this means that the battery life should be great because the chipset is very power efficient. The phone is available in 4+64 and 6+64 GB variants. In my opinion, the 4 GB RAM variant offers more value for money because the 6 GB RAM variant is priced at 3K more than the 4 GB variant, while offering only 2 GB extra RAM and nothing else. There is no difference between the two devices except the RAM sizes. Talking about the cameras, this time it has a dual camera setup, out of which one is a 12MP f/2.2 aperture camera and the other is a 5MP f/2.0 aperture sensor, which basically acts as a depth sensor. The pictures clicked with the Redmi Note 5 Pro come out to be sharp and vivid. The portrait mode on the phone works very well and images taken with the portrait mode look great. The front-facing camera is a 20MP sensor with front-firing LED flash. The front camera is a really big improvement over the last year's Redmi Note 4. The front camera also has a portrait mode which surprisingly works really well. I was quite impressed with the cameras on this phone. But sadly, the video quality on the phone is not that great. The phone records only in 1080p and the video quality you get is not that great. But it's good to know that it has electronic image stabilization. The phone runs on 7.1.1 Nougat with MIUI 9 on top. MIUI packs in loads of features and customizations. The phone has a few bugs, but like any other Xiaomi device, it will improve upon gradually with updates. So that was pretty much it for the hands-on video of the Redmi Note 5. I'll be making more videos on the Redmi Note 5 Pro and expect a full review soon. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. Have a great day.